How to fix error code 3 on Premiere Pro. First, you want to open up your search and over here search for graphics settings. Inside of graphics settings, just click on Add Desktop App, and from here browse to the place where your Premiere Pro is located and double click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to be added over here. Now you just want to open this up and click on Let Windows Decide and put it on High Performance GeForce GTX 1050. Once you do that, basically you have done it. Close it, close Premiere, reopen it, your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, what you need to do is just see where the error code time code is. So basically when you're gonna get an error code, it's going to show you time just like this. So in exactly which point there is an error. So it says 44 seconds. So let's say for an example, I got that message. Now I need to go to the 44-second marker over here, and over here I need to check what is causing the error. It could be the coloring or the adjustment layer or any effect like this. Just remove it, try to render it again, it should work. That's how we guys can fix this issue. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.